Journaling isn't about writing perfectly. It's about training your mind. The Stoics used journals to sharpen thought, correct errors, and remind themselves of truth. Marcus Aurelius never meant his meditations to be published. They were notes to himself. Reminders like, you have power over your mind, not outside events. So how do you journal like a Stoic? Step 1. Ask questions. What's in my control? What virtues do I want to practice today? Step 2. Write reminders. Short truths that guide you. Example, people will frustrate me, but I choose patience. Step 3. Reflect at night. Seneca advised reviewing the day. What did I do well? What did I fail? And what can I improve tomorrow? Your Stoic journal doesn't need to be long. A few sentences of clarity are more powerful than a page of noise. Over time, journaling becomes a dialogue with your best self, a training ground for wisdom and resilience. Subscribe to Stoic Spark for more timeless practices you can start today.